Tense moments in a Connecticut courtroom today as the man accused of killing his father at a motel in Hartford faced a judge. Now, we want to warn you, some of the details of this case are graphic in nature. Police say he stabbed his father to death in his car while he was wearing his seatbelt. NBC Connecticut's Kevin Geist joins us live in Hartford tonight with all the details. Kevin?
Kevin, good evening. Family members related to this entire case did not want to go on camera, but they described the victim in this case as a loving father, husband, as well as grandfather. The family says that this last few days have really just been about processing some of the grief and frustration and anger even boiling over inside the courtroom.
The court will find that probable cause exists to charge Mr. Hokim with the crime of murder.
49-year-old Raybin Hokim charged with murder in the death of his father Saturday. According to the court, the victim was arguing with Raybin when Raybin stabbed him while inside his own car.
The defendant was found at the scene of the crime with the weapon nearby, and he was covered in blood. And the state believes that was the victim's blood.
As the attorney for the state laid out the case against Raybin, someone related to the victim began yelling, asking Raybin how he could attack his own father.
The state would argue that Mr. Hokim is dangerous. This was a vicious attack where the victim was seat belted, unable to free himself as Mr. Hokim stabbed him multiple times.
The attorney also notes in interviews with police, Raybin self-incriminates. His attorney says he's currently homeless but a lifelong resident of Hartford.
He has lived in Hartford for the last 32 years. He did indicate to me that he attended Weaver High School for a period of time, however did not graduate.
His attorney notes he suffers from mental health issues, and he's been involved in treatment in Hartford since at least 1995, and he has no criminal history.
No previous arrests. Obviously, he understands that the charge, the allegation is very serious. He understands there is going to be a significant bond set.
Those at the scene of the alleged crime Saturday noting its tragic circumstances.
A father and a son. I mean, that's sad.
And Hokim is being held on $2 million bond. He's due back here in Hartford court on February 19th. We are still waiting on some of the court documents related to this case. We're live in Hartford tonight. Kevin Geist, NBC Connecticut News. Kevin, back to you.
All right, Kevin, thanks.